Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss chapter 8 class 9 motion question answers from 6 to 10. వెల్కమ్ టు ఏజే అక్షర్ అకాడమీ ఛానల్. ఈ ఛానల్ను మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్న వారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయగలరు. Let us go to the today's topic, chapter 8 motion question answers from 6 to 10. Let us go to the sixth question. What does the odometer of an automobile measure? The odometer of an automobile measures the distance travelled by a vehicle. Odometer nothing but measuring the distance. What does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? In uniform motion, the path of an object can be a straight line, curved line or a circle. It can have any shape. This is because in uniform motion the speed is constant. The direction of motion may change. Okay, what does the odometer measures? Odometer of an automobile measures distance travelled by the vehicle. What does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? In uniform motion, the path of an object can be a straight line, curved line or a circle. It can have any shape. This is because in uniform motion nothing but equal distances in equal intervals of time. Speed is constant. The direction of motion may change. Go to the next question. Let us go for the next question. Eighth question. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Solution. Time taken is equals to 5 minutes. Converting minutes into seconds, 5 into 60, 300 seconds. Speed of signal they given u is equals to speed 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Speed is equals to distance by time. Calculating distance. Distance is equals to speed into time. Substituting these values in this speed 3 into 10 to the power of 8, time 300. So distance is equals to 3 3s are 9. 9 into 10 to the power of 10 meters. Okay. You have to calculate here distance. Formula for distance is speed into time. Speed is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Time after converting seconds, total 300 seconds. After multiplication we are getting 3 3s are 9, 10 to the power of 8 here 10 square. Total 10 to the power of 10 meters. Okay. Let us go to the next question, that is ninth question. When will you say a body is in uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration? Coming to the solution. Uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration nothing but body covers equal change in velocities in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform acceleration nothing but when a body covers unequal change in velocities in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be non-uniform acceleration. Okay. Uniform acceleration. When a body travels with the same velocity in given time, then acceleration is said to be uniform. Same nothing but equal change in velocities in equal intervals of time. Next come to the non-uniform acceleration. When a body moves with unequal velocity in the equal intervals of time, the body is said to be moving with non-uniform acceleration. In uniform acceleration, equal change in velocities in equal intervals of time. In non-uniform acceleration, unequal change in velocities in equal intervals of time. This is about the uniform and non-uniform acceleration. Let us go to the next question. Let us go for 10th question. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. First, we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Should multiply with either 5 by 18 or 1000 by 3600. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Let us come to the solution. Initial velocity u is equals to 80 km per hour. Converting into meter per second, we get 22.22 meters per second. Next, final velocity v is equals to 60 km per hour. Converting kilometer per second hour to meter per second, we get 16.66 meter per second. Time taken t is equal to 5 seconds. Calculate acceleration. Acceleration a is equals to change in velocity by time taken, v minus u by t. Substituting v and u values, v is 16.66 and u is 22.22, and next time taken 5 seconds. That is equals to, after subtracting, then we get minus 1.11 meters per second square. This is the unit of acceleration. Therefore, the acceleration of the bus is equals to minus 1.11 meters per second square, or meter second to the power of minus 2. This is the formula for acceleration. Given u is equal to 80 km per hour, after converting u value 22.22 meter per second, and the given final velocity is 60 km per hour denoted by letter v, and after converting we are getting 16.66 meter per second, and the time t is equal to 5 seconds. Calculate acceleration. Acceleration a is equal to change in velocity by time taken. V is 16.66, u is 22.22, and the time t 5 seconds. After calculating, then we are getting minus 1.11 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of the bus. Therefore, the acceleration of the bus is equals to minus 1.11 meter per second square. This is about the answers from question answers from 6 to 10. Okay, thanks for watching this video.